own stuff. So we're building a RF sampler, that can handle up to like 100 watts continuous. So I'll put like a 15K ohm resistor, which will take and knock that signal to a milliwatt. So that's what it's all about, man. I got a big birthday party to go to here later. I've been wanting to do this forever, and I'm starting to do a lot more. Like I'm doing real high power measurements and stuff. You really need to have everything right. So with that being said, I just build my own shit. Yeah. Sometimes it takes me a while to get everything right, because I obviously don't have the money or the income to want to get there. Think of how I want to do it. I think I'm going to come over to this side. Bear with me, guys. Already fumble fingering. There we go. Let's see. Let's come in. It's going to be kind of awkward because I need my right hand to solder. But let's clear this off. Let's clear that off. You son of a bitch. I mean, it's just... There. Boy, it's always something fighting you. Here we go. So. Perfect. That's how I want that. Now, we're going to keep all this short as possible. I'm going to actually use this. Oh, it's got that BNC connector. That's what's making it tricky. All right, so pull these over here because I'll need them. All right. Let's... and your hands are so fucking massive. Now, I recommend you guys build all your own stuff. Now, when you're building stuff like this, you need to understand a little bit about what's going on, you know, because you can damage stuff. So, a spectrum analyzer, you know, 1 watt is all, that's the max. 30 dB, that's the max that thing can ever see at the input. Ever. And that's the max. 1 watt. And that is like the very max. So the whole idea when working a spectrum analyzer is you want to be giving a very small sample of the signal because you don't want to damage the mixers. And it's very sensitive. So we put a big, large, continuous signal into the dummy load. We can't directly sample the live line because we can't put that amount of power into the dummy load. So we have to knock that down and give a safe. So that's what we're doing. So we're for like 100 watts, you can use a 15K ohm. And what that's going to do is knock the signal way down. Which is what we're doing. Now I'm mad at myself for sorry, folks. Then we're going to get that. Then we'll. And the center conductor is straight pass. You're going to take a straight wire, and all this is the sample. Just a little sample. All right. We're ready. So you want to run when your fan is running, you want your temperature to stay beautiful. I like to keep it a good working temperature that's safe, that you're not just cooking, because this thing will cook. It'll get so hot, the air coming out of it will blister you. All right. Make sure our nuts are tight. Yeah. So if you went and bought something like this, they're so expensive, you know. And then when you do a long wire like this, you want to arch it in the middle. Not quite that bad. But what we're going to do, there we go. That way, whenever I heat this dude up, I can force drive it into the conductor. And we'll just do this one first, because this one's pulled out, because I sucked all the solder out of it. So, oh, you dirty dog. Just like that. Then we want to rotate it. And I'm trying to let go, but I can't because my hands don't work. All right. Now, before we pull that wire down, this has to be completely soldered. Now we can do the stretcher-risky that I'm talking about. So we're going to get us a line, get us a good hole. Oh, you son of a bitch. Now we'll come in with our flats. I'm actually going to grab and stabilize. Then we're going to ask what we want.
Here, you want that back?
All right.
I'll set it back for you.
So this is what we've got so far. Now we're going to take, let's do it this way. Take and that what? Yeah. Oh, it really is. And then we won't cut that off until okay. Now these other ports I'm not going to use. All right. So, let me see where. This is an RF sampler I just built. Now that sampler's specifically built for 100 watts continuous. So this is I'll have to make a mark or label it, but it's 100 watts. No more than 100 watts. No more than 100 watts, you will pass through this. From 0 to 100. Now, you could actually pass 100 continuous. So that's what we built it for. Just for a jig, a tool, you know. That's all it is. Just a tool. My wife's already telling me she's wanting to go. So I just wanted to do that, to show you all that. Thanks for watching.